Welcome aboard the Holland America Nieuw Amsterdam. After 7 days on this ship, we can show you every hidden bar, every restaurant, and pool area you need to know. By the end of this video, you'll know this ship like a pro. Now, let's start the tour. The Nieuw Amsterdam is the second ship in Holland America's signature class of ships. It was built in 2010 and had a major renovation in 2017 with technology updates to the staterooms, furniture, and more. She also had a few minor cosmetic changes in 2023 as well. It's not the largest ship, holding 2,106 guests, 921 crew, with 12 decks. It sails to a variety of destinations, including Alaska, Hawaii, the Mexican Riviera, and the Caribbean. The Nieuw Amsterdam's theme is of historic New York City, and the theme flows throughout the entire ship. We'll start this tour off on Deck 1 in the atrium. On the starboard side of the atrium is where you'll be able to book any future cruises aboard Holland America, potentially at a reduced cost. The center of the atrium is warm and inviting with a comfortable lounge and a quiet atmosphere. On the port side of the ship is where you'll find the port and concierge desk, and more importantly, this is where guest services is located if you have any issues with your billing or any questions while on the ship. All the way forward on Deck 1 is where we'll find the first floor of the World Stage Theater. Up on Deck 2, we'll start in the World Stage Theater, where you can get a great view of the stage from up here. From the World Stage Theater, we'll make our way down this hallway to the casino. This is a well laid out casino with all your standard slot and table games, as well as a bar that's hidden in the back corner that you'll have to go out of your way to find, called the Gallery Bar. From the casino, we'll make our way past the table games and across over to the Billboard on board lounge area. Now this is a great spot where you can listen to talented piano players in the evening.
Nice work if you can get it, and you can get it if you try.
There's also a bar located here, tucked away in the back corners, so be sure to look for it. Now we'll make our way down this long hallway to our next stop, which is one of the funnest spots on the ship, the Rolling Stone Lounge. We spent almost every evening listening to some great music in this lounge. They also have dance classes and other fun events in here.
Back, jump, shake. 1, 2.
From the Rolling Stone Lounge, we'll make our way past the midship elevators to the second level of the atrium. Overlooking the atrium is the Pinnacle Grill Steak and Seafood Specialty Restaurant. This specialty restaurant offers an elegant dining experience with impeccable service and a menu that highlights the best of both land and sea. They have an extensive list of award-winning wines, and kids 12 and under are half price or even eat free if they order off the kids menu. Before having that elegant evening dinner at the Pinnacle restaurant, stop at the Pinnacle Bar, an elegant space with well-crafted cocktails and fine wines. Leaving the Pinnacle Bar, we'll walk down this hallway and pass through the Art Gallery, and then take a quick look at the Explorers Lounge, which is a multi-use space for performances and sales. And lastly, at the aft of the ship, we will come to the main floor of the main dining room. Up on Deck 3, we'll start in the second floor of the main dining room. If you like our content, please be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to help us out with the YouTube algorithm. We really do appreciate it, and thanks for watching. Down this hallway, we'll pass the photo gallery and end up entering the Ocean Bar lounge area that overlooks the atrium. Now this is a really comfortable lounge, and we spent a lot of our time in here. The Ocean Bar Lounge also has its own bar, as well as a nice little stage area for nightly lounge singers. As we pass the midship elevators, we'll make our way into the shopping area of the ship. Here you'll find all types of different stores, including watch stores, Holland America merchandise, clothing, jewelry, perfume, and more. On the right, we'll find an Effie jewelry store, and on the left, you'll see 3 separate meeting rooms. Straight ahead, we'll find the ship's library. Now, this is a really nice library and has a variety of books to learn and enjoy. As we pass the forward bank of elevators, we'll make our way to the upper mezzanine area of the World Stage Theater. Also on Deck 3, you have the ability to go outside, where they have a side deck that goes completely around the ship if you like to go for morning walks or just look at scenery. 3 laps around equals 1 mile. Decks 5 and 6 are staterooms. However, off the front of the ship, they do let you go outside onto the bow of the ship for Alaska cruises and other itineraries to take a look at glaciers and scenery. Deck 7 is also all staterooms with the exception of the Neptune's Lounge, which is for suite guests and features a private lounge area with concierge service and light snacks in a private setting. On Deck 9, we'll start out on the back of the ship at the Sky View Pool. Along with an open-air pool, they also have these 2 hot tubs. The one thing you will notice with these hot tubs are that they are on the smaller side. They typically will fit around 4 people in each one. The deck area is expansive and has ample room for a large number of loungers. The starboard side of the ship is where the smoking side is. The Sea View Bar is your full-service bar for the pool deck area. Now, if you're in the mood for pizza, they have New York pizza with all your favorites. We tried this and it was excellent. Now let's enter the Lido Marketplace Buffet. We have to say that this is probably the best buffet we've ever been to on a ship. The quality of the food was second to none, and they had a vast assortment of food options that we haven't seen on any other ships. To the right is where you could pick up ice cream. Each day they had a new flavor of the day. They had an excellent assortment of pastries and breads available. Not only did they have a standard omelet station that you see on a lot of ships, but they also had a crepe station as well. Pro tip, get the crepe with Nutella and mixed berry. It was excellent. If you're an early riser and didn't want to wait for the buffet to open, they did have some quick grab-and-go fruits as well as cereal available. You'll also find a couple of stations for coffee, milk, and juices. Within the buffet, they had a specialty restaurant called Canaletto Restaurant. This is Holland America's Italian restaurant on the ship and features homemade pastas and entrees as well as lobster tails and specialty desserts. The price is approximately $25 per person cover charge for the dinner, plus an 18% gratuity. From the buffet area, let's head out to the main Lido pool deck area. First up on our right is the Dive-In Burger Bar. Think of this as kind of like a Guy's Burger on a regular Carnival Cruise Line ship. And they also have the Lido bar to serve you all your favorite drinks. The Lido deck pool features a closable roof for inclement weather, along with ample seating areas and a total of 3 hot tubs. If you're looking to have a more upscale pool day, they have these very private cabana areas for rent as well. And as we make our way forward, we will find the 3rd hot tub in the pool deck area. From the Lido pool deck area, let's go check out the gym and the spa area. First up is the hydro pool, filled with warm mineral-infused waters and therapeutic jets at an additional cost. Next to the hydro pool is the sauna, which is free to use. Down the hallway, we'll enter the spa check-in desk area and then make our way into the salon. Within the salon, there's also the barber area for men to get a close shave or a haircut before formal night. Straight ahead down that hallway, you will find all of the massage rooms. Now we'll make our way across the hallway here to the port side. First up, we'll find the thermal suite lounge area with heated loungers. These are so soothing. We've actually fallen asleep on these before. Down the hallway, you'll find on the right-hand side both the men's and women's changing areas. And down the hall to the right, we'll end up at the relaxation lounge, which is the perfect end to your spa day. Need to work off what you ate in the buffet? The gym is free to use and features all your standard free weights, treadmills, and machines. Jumping up to deck 10 is where we'll find all the kids' clubs. The kids' clubs are separated into various age groups ranging from ages 3 to 17. Holland America's Game Room, High Score, is also located here as well. Deck 10 is where you can also get a great view of the Lido pool deck below when the roof is open. Up on deck 11 is where we'll find the Crow's Nest Lounge, along with the Shore Excursions desk and art studio. The Shore Excursion desk is your spot to find out any information regarding your shore excursion you may have booked or thinking of booking. There are a lot of various board and card games available to be played, but the big thing that is impressive with this multi-use area is the comfortable seating areas with expansive views looking out over the bow of the ship. On the port side is where we'll find the entrance to the art room. There's a full-service bar that also serves specialty coffees and teas. Here's the current price list as of the time of this video. The Retreat is Holland America's private upscaled area for relaxation that includes private cabanas and loungers and are available for rent. You can book a cabana for the duration of the cruise or by the day for a fee, which includes premium amenities such as concierge service, drinks, and food service. There is a deck 12, but this is simply an open deck with the ability to put out some loungers in the sun. There's not really much else going on up here. Back down on deck 11 midship is where we'll find the Tamarind Bar. The Tamarind Bar offers a serene escape with an Asian-inspired touch located right next to the elegant Tamarind restaurant, which we'll take a look at in just a second. Its sleek contemporary decor and rich earthy tones create a calm, sophisticated vibe that's perfect for unwinding. Guests can also savor a signature sake flight featuring premium Japanese varieties with plush seating and beautiful ocean views. The Tamarind Bar is a stylish hideaway for anyone looking to enjoy a refined drink in a relaxed, upscaled setting. Holland America's Tamarind restaurant is a must-visit for anyone craving beautifully prepared sushi, sashimi, and a mix of bold Pan-Asian flavors. The menu draws inspiration from across Southeast Asia, China, and Japan, offering a refined dining experience at sea. The ambiance feels like something out of a high-end boutique hotel. Modern, elegant, and softly lit accents with touches of Asian artistry like bamboo details and miniature bonsai trees. Guests can choose between cozy tables for two tucked into quiet corners or larger, more open seating for more social meals, making it easy to set the tone for your evening. And lastly, from deck 10, we'll make our way back up to deck 11 to take a look at the sports court. The sports court is a multi-purpose court that features basketball, pickleball, and volleyball. So what's your favorite part of this ship? Are you excited to be cruising on it soon? Leave a comment below and let us know. We love hearing from you. We hope you enjoyed this full tour of the Holland America Nieuw Amsterdam. If you're interested in seeing what a stateroom looks like, check out this video. Thanks for watching and happy cruising!